Fresno State prides itself on enhancing the student experience by offering hands-on learning opportunities both on and off campus. The Water, Energy, and Technology Center is no different in providing such opportunities. Most employers look for graduates with relevant work experience when hiring. Hands-on learning experiences fill the gap as students prepare for success upon graduation.
I know I made connections that will last me a lifetime.
One thing that working here really helped me figure out was the ins and outs of marketing and fine-tuning the skills that I already had.
Working with the Wet Center has improved my skills both personally and professionally by giving me new opportunities to talk to people, to go to events, to film or meet new people, and just overall has taught me a lot.
Finding ways to apply some of the concepts I've learned in the classroom to real-life situations has given me the opportunity to gain more professional skills that I will be able to use in the future.
Working at the Wet Center has really helped me grow, both as a professional and as an individual. And the Wet Center has really helped me improve my communication and organizational skills as we work with so many different companies.
Having that ecosystem and that professional team of individuals was great for me because it further solidified my ability to enter the industry with confidence.
With this campaign, we hope to give 10 students the chance for 3 to 6 months of paid, real working experience kickstarting their careers right here in the Central Valley.
In today's labor market, employers rely heavily on resumes that can illustrate a candidate's relevant work experience. Please consider donating to the Wet Center's crowdfunding campaign, taking hands-on learning to a new level, and help us provide opportunities for students to get first-hand exposure to working in real businesses solving real problems, and also to get them a head start on developing their own professional network. Thank you.